numerator. I have felt that geometry is a bit difficult than the other branches of maths in school. So today in this video, we are going to be discussing the definitions of the basic terms in the lesson lines and angles. So let's move on to our video. First, let's have a look at what a point is. A point has no components. It's represented using a dot. For example, we name a point using the capital letters of English alphabets. Like this. A line is a straight one-dimensional figure which extends infinitely to both directions. It has neither starting nor ending points. It doesn't have a definite length. This is line AB. Line AB is represented like this. A line segment is the shortest distance between two endpoints. It has starting and ending points. Therefore, it has a definite length. It's important to use the word segment because, as we said before, a line extends infinitely to both directions, whereas a line segment has definite endpoints. A line segment AB is represented like this. A ray is a part of a line. It has a fixed starting point but no end point. It extends infinitely to one direction. This is ray AB. Ray AB is represented like this. A set of three or more points which lie on the same line are called collinear points. This is line AB, point P, point Q and point R are 3 points which lie on the same line AB. Points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. For example, point A, point B, point C and point D are non-collinear points. Points can either be collinear or non-collinear, but it's impossible to be both at the same time. Two rays starting from a common point makes an angle. This is point O, this is ray OA, and this is ray OB. This point is known as the vertex of the angle, and rays OA and OB are termed to be the arms or the sides of the angle. An angle which is of the measure 0 degree is known as a zero angle. An angle which measures between 0 degree and 90 degree is known as an acute angle. That is, it is smaller than a right angle but greater than a zero angle. This is how an acute angle looks like. An angle which is of the measure 90 degree is known as a right angle. This is how we mark 90 degree. This is right angle AOB. An angle which measures between 90 degree and 180 degree is known as an obtuse angle. That is, it is greater than a right angle but smaller than a straight angle. This is how an obtuse angle looks like. This is obtuse angle AOB. An angle which is of the measure 180 degree is known as a straight angle. This is straight angle BOA. An angle which is of the measure 360 degree is known as a complete angle. This is complete angle OA. An angle which has measure between 180 degree and 360 degree is known as a reflex angle, which means that it is greater than a straight angle but is smaller than a complete angle. It looks like this. It's represented like this. The flex angle AOB. Lines which lie on the same plane are said to be coplanar. For example, this is line AB and this is line PQ. Both of them lie on the same plane of this board. Next is parallel lines. Coplanar lines which do not meet are called parallel lines. That is, lines which lie on the same plane which do not intersect at any point are called parallel lines. A line and a plane or two planes in three-dimensional Euclidean space which do not share a common point are also said to be parallel. For example, line AB and line PQ are coplanar lines and they are also parallel. Lines which intersect each other at an angle of 90 degrees are said to be perpendicular to each other. For example, this is line AB and this is line PQ. They intersect at a point O and this angle is 90 degrees. So, line AB and line PQ are said to be perpendicular to each other. A line which intersects another line at its midpoint, making an angle of 90 degrees, thus dividing the other line into two equal halves, is known as perpendicular bisector. This is line AB and this it is midpoint O. This is line PQ which makes an angle of 90 degrees and passes through the midpoint of AB, that is O. Therefore, PQ is the perpendicular bisector of line AB. A line, a half line or a line segment which divides an angle into two equal halves is known as its angle bisector. This is angle AOB and this is angle bisector. This angle bisector OC divides the angle AOB into two equal halves AOC and COB. A line which intersects two lines at two distinct points is known as a transversal. This is line L and this is line M. This is line P. The transversal P intersects the lines L and M at two different points A and B. In the next video, we will be seeing about the different types of angles the transversal makes. I hope that you guys found our video useful.
If you found it useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Comment in the comment section below.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.